Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we are going to show you exactly how to close developer mode on Android to return your phone to its standard operating state. This is a simple process that helps clean up your menu and ensures no accidental changes are made to your system. So now let's get started. For step one, you need to go into your setting menu by tapping the gear icon located on your home screen or within the app drawer. This is the primary control panel for your device, where you can manage everything from your display preferences to the most advanced system configurations. In step two, you will need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list and tap on Settings or System to find the more advanced management tools. This area houses the specific administrative options that are usually hidden from the average user to prevent unintentional software changes. For step three, look for the entry labeled developer options and click on it to open the list of active experimental features currently running on your phone. This menu is important because it contains the main master switch required to deactivate these advanced settings and hide the menu from view. In step four, you simply need to click on that toggle that says off at the very top of the screen to disable the developer environment immediately. Once you switch this toggle, all the custom configurations will be reset and the developer menu will disappear from your main settings list. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips.